everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I will be guiding you on how to fix we can't send a code in Facebook. So let's get started. The first step that I want you to take is go to your app store and on the search bar search for Facebook and update it if you have not updated it yet. Then the second step is to launch your settings. Tap on General, go to iPhone Storage, then search for Facebook and try offloading the app. Here, even if this does not work, the third and foremost solution that I want you to try is open Facebook and at the time of finding your account or logging it in, select the option to find your account by your email address instead of mobile number. Doing this, you'll have the code sent onto your email and you'll be able to fix the problem. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and also leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.